The first I discuss is the information system. Information system is an integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data for providing information and knowledge. So, ang information system ay integrated set of components na nagko-collect, nag-i-store, and nagpo-process ng data para mag-provide ng information at knowledge. Next is the data. The data is raw facts, figures, observation, or any information that be processed by reasoning, discussion, or calculation. So, data. What is data? A data is a limitless or infinite. So, ang data daw ay walang katapusan, a raw and unorganized. Next is, who create data? Sino nga ba ang gumagawa o nagcre-create ng data? So, walang iba kundi ang individuals. Individuals means tayo at businesses. Next is categories of data. There are two types categories of data. The first one is structured and unstructured. These are the example of structured databases and spreadsheets. Structured means organized data. The next one is unstructured. Examples, forms, images, movies, and audio. Ito naman ay mga unorganized na data. Let's go to ER diagram or entity relationship diagram. Is a visual tool that describes entities, relationship, attributes, and cardinality. Entities is objects such as people, products, or concepts. Example, name, address, etc. And relationship is connection between entities. So, the two entities have a connection or relationship. Next is the attributes, characteristic of entities, and the cardinality, number of relationship. Example, one customer have many order. There are three types of attributes. The first one is composite. A single attribute is split into smaller sub-attributes. Multi-valued. Attributes that can store multiple values for a single entity's instance. The last is the derived, an attribute that calculated from other attributes or data. Next is the two symbol for ER diagram. There are two symbols for ER diagram, which is the chain symbol and the crowfoot symbol. This is the example of a chain symbol. An entity is a symbol of rectangle, and the attributes is circle that connected into entity. And the relationship between two entities is symbol of diamond. Next is the crowfoot symbol. A crowfoot symbol is a square shape that the entity is written in the up, the identifier, and the attributes. The identifier is a unique attributes from each entities, and the relationship of this is written in the middle. Let's go to how to write a cardinality in a chain symbol. In a minimum optional is a 0, and the mandatory is 1, and the maximum one is 1, and the many. Next is the crowfoot symbol. A minimum optional is like that, and the mandatory maximum one and many. I give you an example of ER diagram scenario. Example: many students can study in one college. One college have many students studying in it. This is the example of a chain. A student and a college is the entities, and the study in is the relationship. In writing, a entities is a capital letter, and the attributes is encircled and connect to the entities. The student ID is the primary key or the identifier. Next is the crow's foot. This is how crow's foot draw in ER diagram.